In a tranquil pond surrounded by lush reeds, a family of ducks paddled gracefully, their vibrant plumage shimmering in the sunlight. These remarkable birds, known for their quacking communication, often form strong bonds within their groups. As they forage for food, dabbling beneath the surface, they showcase their unique ability to filter out tiny organisms with their specialized bills. Ducks are also migratory, traveling thousands of miles each year, navigating with astonishing precision. Their playful antics and social nature make them a delightful part of the ecosystem. Ducks belong to the family Anatidae, which includes geese and swans. There are over 120 different species of ducks worldwide. Ducks vary greatly in size, color, and shape. Common species include the mallard, wood duck, and pekin duck. Male ducks, drakes, often have more vibrant plumage than females, especially during the breeding season. Ducks are found on every continent except Antarctica. They inhabit a variety of environments, including freshwater lakes, rivers, marshes, and coastal regions. Many duck species are migratory, traveling thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. For example, the northern pintail migrates from North America to Central America in winter. Ducks are omnivores and have a varied diet that includes aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and crustaceans. Their feeding habits can vary depending on the species and habitat. Ducks can be categorized into two main groups based on their feeding behavior. Dabbling ducks. These ducks feed on the water's surface or tip their bodies to reach underwater vegetation. Examples include mallards and teal. Diving ducks. These ducks dive below the surface to catch food. Examples include the canvasback and the redhead. Webbed feet. Ducks have webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. Their feet act like paddles, allowing for efficient movement in water. Ducks have flat, broad bills that are adapted for filtering food from the water. Some species have specialized bills for different feeding strategies, such as sifting through mud for invertebrates. Ducks are known for their distinctive quacking sounds, but they also produce a range of other vocalizations, such as whistles, grunts, and growls, depending on the species. Ducks are social animals and often form flocks. During migration, they can be seen flying in a V formation, which helps them conserve energy. Most ducks breed in the spring. Mating rituals often involve courtship displays, such as head bobbing and preening. Female ducks typically build nests on the ground near water. They line their nests with down feathers for insulation. After laying eggs, the female incubates them for about 28 days before they hatch. Once hatched, ducklings are precocial, meaning they are relatively mature and mobile. They can swim and feed themselves shortly after birth, although they still rely on their mother for protection and guidance. The mother duck is fiercely protective of her ducklings, leading them to water and teaching them essential survival skills. Ducks are often associated with adaptability and resourcefulness in various cultures. They appear in folklore, literature, and art across the globe. The domestication of ducks dates back thousands of years. Ducks like the pekin are raised for their meat and eggs. They are popular in agricultural settings due to their hardiness and ability to forage. While many duck species are common, some face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and hunting. Conservation efforts are in place to protect vulnerable species and their habitats. Ducks are considered indicators of wetland health, as they rely on these ecosystems for breeding and feeding. Protecting wetlands benefits not only ducks but also a wide range of other wildlife. Ducks can walk on water for short distances by running across the surface, thanks to their buoyant bodies and webbed feet. Some duck species practice monogamy for a single breeding season, while others may mate for life, forming strong pair bonds. Ducks have excellent color vision, allowing them to see a broad spectrum of colors, which helps them find food and identify mates. Ducks have a special oil gland near the base of their tail that produces oil. They use their beaks to spread this oil over their feathers, creating a waterproof barrier that keeps them dry while swimming. Ducks are warm-blooded animals and have a unique circulatory adaptation that helps them conserve heat in cold water. Their arteries and veins are close together, allowing warm blood to heat the cooler blood returning from their feet. While there are over 120 species of ducks, notable ones include wood duck, known for its striking colors and unique nesting behavior, often nesting in tree cavities. Mandarin duck, renowned for its vibrant plumage and is primarily found in East Asia. Northern shoveler, recognizable by its large, shovel-shaped bill that it uses to filter feed. Ducks are skilled foragers. They use different techniques to find food. Surface feeding. Dabbling ducks tip their bodies forward in the water to reach underwater plants. Diving ducks go underwater to catch fish and other aquatic organisms. Ducks often change their diets based on the season. In warmer months, they may eat more insects, while in colder months, they rely on seeds and grains. Ducks are known for their playful behavior, often engaging in activities such as splashing in water, chasing each other, and even sliding down mud or snow. Ducks have a unique bathing ritual where they dip themselves in water and shake their bodies to fluff their feathers and remove dirt. Some species, like the Arctic tern, migrate thousands of miles each year. The migration is often triggered by changes in daylight and temperature. During migration, ducks often stop at wetlands and lakes to rest and refuel. These stopover sites are crucial for their survival on long journeys. Depending on the species, female ducks can lay anywhere from 5 to 15 eggs per clutch. After laying, they will incubate the eggs for about 28 days. Female ducks typically build nests using grass, reeds, and down feathers. The nest is often well hidden to protect against predators. Ducks often form flocks for social interaction, safety, and foraging. In these flocks, they may have specific roles, such as lookout ducks that stay alert for predators. Ducks engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract mates. These displays can include head bobbing, vocalizations, and synchronized swimming. Ducks appear in many cultural stories and folklore. For example, in Native American culture, ducks are sometimes seen as symbols of resourcefulness and adaptability. Ducks are often depicted in art, children's books, and cartoons, symbolizing playfulness and innocence. Characters like Donald Duck have made ducks popular in global culture. Conservation organizations work to protect wetlands, which are critical for duck populations. Wetlands provide essential breeding and feeding habitats. Many countries have regulations in place to ensure sustainable hunting practices for ducks. These regulations help maintain healthy populations and ecosystems. Ducks can be affected by various diseases, including avian influenza and duck virus enteritis. Regular health checks and biosecurity measures are essential in domestic settings to prevent outbreaks. Some diseases, such as salmonella, can be transmitted from ducks to humans. Proper hygiene and handling practices are important for preventing disease transmission. Ducks are fascinating creatures with diverse adaptations and behaviors that make them well suited for life in aquatic environments. Their social structures, unique feeding habits, and cultural significance make them interesting subjects for study and appreciation. Understanding ducks can enhance our connection to nature and highlight the importance of conserving their habitats and the ecosystems they inhabit. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and have a great day.